Hi, this is attorney Matthew Legan Sanchez, and today I'm going to talk to you about restraining orders that are also known as petition for order of protections. Domestic violence is never okay, and sometimes during a divorce or a custody issue, things are going to get physical as a breakup or separation occurs. If you are in a situation where you are in immediate threat of danger, you should either contact the police, or if children are involved, you should contact CYFD. Now, you have legal rights to protect yourself. You can file a petition for order of protection, and most likely they're going to enter a temporary restraining order. In Albuquerque, the court usually leans on the side of caution, so they will find generally that there's enough evidence in the petition to enter a temporary restraining order. This temporary restraining order will be in effect until a hearing is held. By law, it should be within 10 days, but usually it takes a little bit longer than that. At this initial hearing, you'll go before a hearing officer, also known as a special commissioner. They'll review all the evidence and then will determine if an order of protection should be entered. There are no costs with filing this petition for order of protection. You would simply go down, if you were in Albuquerque, to 2nd Judicial District Court. You'd go up to the 2nd floor and you would file a petition for order of protection. Now, you may be on the receiving end where someone filed a restraining order against you claiming that an act of abuse occurred when actually no act of abuse did occur. And in this situation, it's extremely important for you to speak with an experienced family law attorney because the other person's probably trying to get an advantage in your custody or your divorce case. They'll file the restraining order in order to get advantage in the custody case. And they do this because oftentimes, like I said, the court will lean on the side of caution and they'll enter that temporary restraining order, and that temporary restraining order will grant one parent sole legal custody until a hearing is held. At times, this can take 30 days or more for a hearing to be held, and one parent can have sole legal custody and call basically all the shots until a hearing is held. Now, at this hearing, you're going to present evidence to show whether by a preponderance of the evidence, which basically means more likely than not if an act of abuse occurred. The special commissioner will review this evidence. They will see if the evidence shows that an order of protection should be entered. So elements that you may want to bring or that you should consider are text messages, you should consider emails, you should consider any photos that demonstrate the abuse. If children are involved, CYFD is going to be very crucial. And as I said, at times during the divorce or separation, this process is abused to get sole legal custody, and this is why it's very important to speak with a family law attorney. If you have questions about your case that weren't answered by this video or by my website, call me, Matthew Legan Sanchez at 505 Sanchez. I'll answer your questions, I'll listen to all the evidence, all of the facts, and I'll let you know exactly how your case will work with a custody case or with a divorce case, as often restraining orders are blended with the two.